You can use the KorGlov as a pair, or you can use just one of them on your hand or arm, depending on what your needs are. To use them as a pair, clip your NuroKor device electrode wires onto the glove. Put the gloves one on each hand, plug the gloves into the device, and then select the desired treatment. Keep in mind that the gloves should not touch each other. If the gloves are touching each other, you won't be able to feel the sensations. Be careful in case the gloves are touching each other when you are turning the device up, because when you separate the gloves, it could cause you to get a burst of intensity. They are also suitable for use with MyBody or the ultra wearable range. When being used with these devices, they are best used on one hand or one arm as opposed to two, because the leads are not quite long enough. So to use it with the MyBody in particular, you would clip the glove onto one side of the MyBody and then a pad onto the other side to connect to the arm or forearm. And simply turn the device on and select the user mode and intensity as usual. When you're using the gloves independently, say you might just be needing the glove on one hand, you put the glove on one hand with a pad on the arm, forearm, elbow or shoulder, wherever you feel was going to work best for you, and clip the wires onto the pad and onto the glove. Once the glove or the gloves and pad is connected to the device, then slowly turn up the intensity if you're using one of the active apps, which is any of the apps excluding microcurrent. If you choose to use microcurrent or MC2, remember that you won't feel any sensation, but the app is doing its job and you will see the benefit the next day.